channel, it's Mia Creedy, and today I'm going to be trying out viral TikTok recipes. So, yeah, let's get to it. So the first recipe we're going to be making are healthy Dippin' Dots. So what you're gonna need is some yogurt. I have some Greek unsweetened yogurt. So we're gonna try and make that sweet. So I have some melted chocolate here and some honey. So we're gonna try and make it sweet. I'm gonna add some honey in. Now I'm gonna mix it. So I got a spoon and now we're gonna mix it. And try and make it. It smells really good. Make it a bit sweeter. I can't wait. I haven't had Dippin' Dots before, so I'm excited to try chocolate ones. Now let's add a bit of chocolate in. Just trying to add some chocolate in. Let's mix it in now. It looks kind of gross. But whatever. I hope this tastes good. Now that we have done that, I have some Ziplocs here, and we're going to add it into the Ziploc. Take the spoon out. This looks kind of gross, but we're good. Just take it. And now we need scissors to cut a hole at the end. Okay, so I cut it, and I have this baking tray lined with parchment paper. So we're just gonna add a couple of drops. Yeah, this is not working. It's so runny. Yeah, this is not working. But whatever, we're gonna try it still. Oh. Okay, I'm just trying to make little dots everywhere because it's Dippin' Dots. I'm so cringy. The bag exploded. So you see the bag exploded, but we're just gonna ignore that and keep doing our thing. Okay, so we got our Dippin' Dots. I'm just gonna clean that up. Now we'll be right back. So this is how it looks. There's some big, blobs of yogurt, but most of them look pretty good. So now we're gonna freeze them for 2 hours. Okay, so I put it in the freezer. So now we're on to the second one, which is Nature's cereal. So first you're gonna wanna take a bowl and add some berries in. You can add frozen or plain. I'm using frozen. There's strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries. So I'm gonna add some in. Okay, that is a lot, so we're just gonna try and put some back, I guess. Perfect. So you're going to take your berries, add coconut water, add ice. Added 3 ice cubes, but there's still some in here. And then I feel like this idea is super dumb because you're eating fruit and water, which, well, I think I do all the time because I wash my fruits. But now we're going to try it. That's so good. Cold, but good. Braces. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. My brain is frozen. Oh wow. That's so good. Oh my god. Is it worth the effort? Not really, because there's no effort. You just put fruit in a bowl and add coconut water. Nice. But am I gonna make this again? No. I rate this like a 5 out of 10. Okay. Now on to the last and final TikTok recipe. So this next one is a Nutella Pop-Tart. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 2 pieces of bread, cut off the edges. Make sure if you're using a knife, have parent supervision so that you don't cut yourself. Okay. And then we're just cutting off the edges right now. Perfect. Then we're going to want to get Nutella. Let me go get that. So I got the Nutella in this bowl. Then we're going to want to spread it right in the middle of one piece of bread. Oh my god, the bread is like ripping, but that's okay. Then, when that's done, take another piece of bread and add it on top. Let me go get a cup. Then take a cup and just press it down in the middle. Take the sides out. Perfect. Now that you have your little circle, take a fork and like crease the edges. Here, I'll show you what I'm saying when it doesn't, just kind of. Make it like an Uncrustable. Just crease the edges like so, and then toast it. So the Uncrustable just popped up. It looks really good. It's kind of burnt from this side, but now let's see. Oh, okay. Not like I wanted it, but let's try it now. It's really good. Well, it's kind of just bread and Nutella, but whatever. So that was the last one, and now we're just gonna wait for the Dippin' Dots. So it's been like 2 hours now, like maybe an hour and 45 minutes. And when I was putting my Dippin' Dots in, I found this cup of juice, and it's like frozen. I think I froze it yesterday. So let's see. Tastes a bit weird, but so now we're gonna try the Dippin' Dot. So I'm just gonna kind of scrape them off of here, I guess. I don't know. They don't seem to be ready yet. Cause like, look at that. I'm using a spatula, but let's I guess add them into a bowl. I do not want to try this now because they look super gross. Like, ew. It's not a lot, but that's okay. Let me go get a spoon. So, I got a spoon, a paper towel in case I need to spit it out, and some water. So, yeah. I didn't make too many because I don't want to waste it if I didn't like it, so. Ugh. Okay. That's disgusting. I think I may have used the wrong yogurt. This is good though. Let me try and put it into a plate. So I got a plate and I flipped it upside down. So I think I'm just gonna wait here. Or I can just I have an idea. I got a fork and now I'm gonna see if I can. Oh wait, it's moving. That's odd. Like, look. It's like odd, but got a fork and I thought I could like scrape it and eat it. Like, I don't know. Oh my god, it's actually working. So satisfying. Like, look. I don't know if that was satisfying for you guys, but it was for me. It was good. Okay, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. I will see you guys next time. Peace.